Children, I'm back with next video and a very special video I prepared for you, and it contains the full vitamins from starting to end. So please concentrate on this video very well and study very good with me. Understand? You know my style, and I want to clear all things. Till that you can't understand my concept. Understand? So today I'm starting vitamins. So you are seeing the first slide on the screen. There, what are the vitamins? Vitamin help in protecting our body against disease. Means they protect us from the disease. We never get tired and body weaken. Understand? This is called disease protecting elements are also called vitamins. Second point, this one. They also keep our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Next slides, you will understand about it. Some of vitamins are soluble in water, whereas others are not. Means vitamins are two types: water soluble and non-water soluble. Soluble only in fats, means not water soluble. They solute soluble in the fats and oils. So on the basis of their solubility, means all vitamins are not soluble. Some are only soluble in fats and oils. All the vitamins can be divided into two classes: water soluble and fat soluble. You can understand here how many kinds of vitamins. You are seeing on the slide that it is here is classified that vitamins are in two groups. The one is water soluble, another is fat soluble. And in this circle you are seeing that vitamin B group and vitamin E. These are water soluble. Vitamin B group means vitamin B1, B2, B3 B 12 till B12. And for fat soluble are these simple vitamin A, D, E, K. These are fat soluble. So water soluble vitamins are in first point and fat soluble vitamins are in second point. Understand? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin E. These are called pernicious anemia. Means they protect us from a disease called anemia which happen due to lack of iron in our body. Understand? So move to next slide. This is I found out these examples from lot of places, so understand it very well. This is vitamin A sources. How from where we can get the vitamin A? Carrots, is squares, apricots, peaches, melon, avocado, sweet potato, eggs and cheese, fish, meat, papaya, broccoli, and don't need to worry, just whatever you have out of them, just to take it in your daily life. It will help you in completing the lack of vitamin A. It is fat soluble vitamin and good for healthy vision, means it strengthen our eyesight, our skin, means our skin becomes shiny, bones, it protects, make our bones hard, and other tissues. Vitamin A often work as antioxidant. Antioxidant means they hydrate our body and to take out the poisonous product, poisonous material from our body. Understand? In next slide, as usual, you will see the example of vitamin B. Yeah, vitamin B play a vital role. Vital role means important role. This is vitamin B in maintaining good health and well-being as the building blocks of healthy, means it build up our body. Vitamin B have a direct impact on energy levels, brain function, and cell metabolism. Metabolism means capacity of our body to cure with disease. And vitamin B complex, because vitamin B complex means it is found in minimum many kinds: B1, B2, B3, dot B12. Understand? So these are the source of vitamin B. You are seeing on the slide. The B6, B12, ये total vitamin B. Next one is related to vitamin C. Vitamin C in our different ways we use in our body. Vitamin C needed by the body from collagen. According to the NIH, the body also use vitamin C to make skin, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. Means skin, it makes our skin shiny. Tendons are very small cells like structure in our bodies, and ligaments that joins our two muscles that are ligaments, and blood vessels they strengthen them, and also they protect our gums, make our gums very strong. And you can understand if you didn't never take the vitamin C in many days, so our gums start bleeding. Understand? So these are the source of vitamin C. Means all the sour material means खट्टे चीजें जैसे कि oranges, papaya, lemon, grapes, and like that. Understand? And grapes in both type, the black one and the green one also, and strawberry also. The one material I don't know, that is called sahtoot. It is also a source of vitamin C. Understand? Next is vitamin D. Vitamin D, a main source of vitamin D is our sun. Means sun energy. Which energy? Sun's energy. Understand? Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, and it is helpful in absorption of calcium, magnesium, phosphate, and multiple other biological effect. Calcium, that's why these are the source of vitamin B. Understand? Like milk, fish, meat, cheese. Understand? These are the main source. Like you are seeing butter, fortified milk. Fortified milk means when we do a many process with the milk in the dairy, then after we eat, and fatty fish. Next is vitamin E. The other name of vitamin E is oil vitamin. Means it is found especially in oil like olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and almond, peanuts. These peanuts and almond also have the oil, and some special vegetable like spinach, like broccoli. Broccoli is not found commonly in our area, so you can eat spinach plus. So yeah, both these are not found easily. Understand? So in place of eating this, you can drink. You can use sunflower, coconut oil, peanuts, almonds, and spinach in your daily life very well. And these are called anti-aging. Anti-aging means they make you young, and don't the old age will not come very early if you eat a proper amount of vitamin E. Understand? And it also cure our body with cancer if you are eating in right amount of vitamin E, then you will not have any risk of having cancer. And last one is vitamin K. K means it is source of iron, and it is also fat soluble vitamins. Means this is soluble, it is mixed with our fat in our human body, and it require the complete synthesis. Means it takes a time to adjust or soluble in our body, and it helps in blood coagulation, and which the body also need for controlling binding and calcium in bones, means it helped in binding the calcium with our bones, understand, and with some other tissues. And these are the also source, these are all source of vitamin K. And some are not easily found, but the easily found material you can eat, like cabbage, grapes, lemon, green apple, cucumber, and these are not, or the rest of it is not easily found. And it is also found a kiwi, understand, so you can take it and make your health well, and you are protected from the disease. So for homework, you have to make a table. This is a description mode. You have to make a table, write down a table: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K one side, and the other right side you have to write source of these in the right side, means vitamin is in the one left side vitamin and right side their sources. Make a table and show to your group admin, understand. So it is enough for today. Good day. Bye.